Жесть.
The Ukrainian Military Intelligence GUR reports that it struck high Russian officials during a meeting in Energodar. The so-called head of the city department, colonel of the Ministry of Internal Affairs of the Russian Federation, Pavel Valeryevich Chesnov, and his deputies received numerous injuries. Ukrainians continue to attack Russian Navy ships in the Black Sea. Regarding the Ukrainian maritime drone attack on 2 Russian patrol ships, sunset in Sevastopol was at 7:47 p.m., and the attack was at 10:55 p.m., so it was dark on high seas. The new moon for the region was on August 16th, so there was no moonlight. Keep in mind that the Russian Ministry of Defense said the same thing last time, that the drones were destroyed, until images of the Olenogorsky Gornyak landing ship became public. I am also suspicious when the Russian ministry releases a formal statement within 1 hour of an event. It signals that, for whatever reason, they want to get out in front of a story. And we had another drone attack on Moscow last night. An expo center was hit, Russian authorities reported. Vnukovo airport was closed off for flights after that. At least 1 Ukrainian kamikaze attack drone is reported to have been downed by air defense batteries over the Presnensky district of western Moscow, resulting in the drone crashing into roof of the Expo Center Fairgrounds complex, causing a small fire which was quickly extinguished by fire crews. The crash is claimed to have only caused minor damage to the building and no injuries. All Moscow airports were closed last night due to the drone attack. Flight limitations were in action in Vnukovo, Domodedovo, Sheremetyevo, and Zhukovsky airports. One of the planes scheduled to land in Moscow had to reroute to Minsk, report Russian media.
Жесть.
Я, блядь, пошутил.
Какой, блядь, бабах? Чё, охуел, блядь? Ты что сделал?
They also reports that an urgent evacuation is being carried out at Moscow City. Several cars of the Ministry of Emergency Situations are near IQ Quarter and Afimol City Shopping Center. People are asked to leave the building over the loudspeaker. Moscow City is an upscale area that has been hit 3 times by Ukrainian drones. Russia. Ship carrying coal collapsed and sank in Irkutsk region. After washing machines, toilets, and other furniture, the Second Army of the World started to loot bicycles from the local population. Being proud of it as well. I'm not even going to talk about how these bums are dressed.
Автопарк кататься.
Первый готов, пошел. Второй готов, пошел. Третий не готов, но пошел.
In Smolensk region of Russia, a resident was outraged about the last name of a local MP candidate, Zelensky. He said it was offensive to heroes of the special military operation, and the candidate needs to change his last name. Ukrainian M30A1, GMLRS strike targeting a Russian one, L-219. Zoopark 1 counter-battery radar system in Zaporizhia Oblast. Sales of Russian weapons abroad have fallen more than threefold. Russian media. The volume of foreign contracts signed by Rosaboronexport during the Army 2023 forum turned out to be more than 3 times lower than pre-war levels, with total amount of $600 million, as compared to contracts worth 2 billion euros signed at the same forum in pre-war 2021. Putin personally joined in advertising weapons, promising a wide selection of modern equipment to Russia's allies. But that didn't help, and the forum brought disastrous results for the Russian military-industrial complex. Well, the war in Ukraine didn't help either, because it shows that Russian weapons were overhyped and obsolete in comparison to Western weapons. Residents of one of the Kiev massifs, every evening around 9 p.m., touchingly and patriotically end their day. In the video, you can hear children singing the national anthem of Ukraine together with adults.
Героям слава! Смерть ворога! Понад усе! Понад усе! Понад усе!
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.